In this section, let's look at creating a bug. So we'll begin with creating an issue, but the type of it will be a bug. Like we said, the bug report is written how? Okay, so for example, login, submit button is not working. Okay, the component, we can say it appears in the Android. In the description, you should write the expected result, the actual result, and the steps to reproduce, because JIRA don't give you a specific section or a special section for each one of them. Then the priority of the bug, high or highest. Then the environment, like we said, in test rank, maybe Chrome, for example, 71. Okay, you should attach a screenshot from your bug, okay, like this one. This is an old bug, and then you can assign it to a person and you can send it to a sprint, create bug. Okay, let's create another one. For example, registration is not working, create another, and then we can say search returns wrong results, create. We will not create another. So in this case, we have many bugs, okay? Me as a tester, I am reporting many bugs, and this will influence on the developer. This will make him can't focus on his job. So in this case, we can create a special iteration for bugs. We call it a hardening or a stabilization iteration. So let's edit the sprint. We call it hardening or stabilization sprint. The sprint goal is BRT for the sprint goal, solve all the bugs that were discovered in previous iterations. So this iteration, the only job of it for the developers is to solve the bugs, and for the testers to retest the software and of course perform regression testing after solving the bugs. So here we moved our bugs only to the iteration. We started 1 week with the goal of solving the bugs. Each bug that is solved is moved to in progress, then done. Of course, we can change these stations, okay? We have this option in JIRA, the admin changes them, and he can change them to be aligned with the bug lifecycle. For example, new, assigned, solved, retested, and verified and closed. So these bugs are solved. This iteration, of course, doesn't have any story points because all of these are bugs. They are done, but they don't have any story points. So we have many options in Agile. We can solve the bugs every day. Once we finish a bug, we solve it, or we add all the bugs to the end of the iteration and we solve them at the last 2 days of the iteration, for example. And the third option is to create a special iteration for solving bugs, which is the stabilization or the hardening iteration.